On today's episode of Designing Spaces, brightening your yard after dark, outdoor lighting experts offer their advice. Keeping golden years golden, we look at the best living options for elderly loved ones. We check out how custom picture frames can transform your living space with meaningful memories all around your home. Time to design.
We all have our vision of our ultimate outdoor oasis. Pool parties and barbecues with family and friends creating memories. Well now, the fun doesn't have to end once the sun goes down. Nowadays, the innovations in outdoor designs have made our backyards an extra living space.
Pinch A Penny has been the trusted name for expert service in and around our pools for more than 45 years. Now they're using the same professional approach to offer a variety of new home services. I'm here to meet up with Brad, owner of a local Pinch A Penny in Florida.
Pinch A Penny has over 260 locations throughout the South and Southeast. You're a franchise owner. What's the most rewarding thing that you get to do with your customers?
I think it's just helping the customers. You become part of the community. And all the Pinch A Pennies are locally owned and operated by families that actually live right there in the community.
And you get to know them on a first name basis, I would imagine, by seeing them week after week, month after month.
Absolutely. We have those customers that come in religiously, whether it's a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. They're always in, and it's great to see them.
Brad, for over 45 years, Pinch A Penny Pool, Patio, and Spa, a leader in the industry. Tell us about some of the services you guys provide.
Outside of our normal services that everybody knows and loves Pinch A Penny for, we have pool renovations, pressure washing, screen repair, outdoor living spaces, including outdoor kitchens, and we're going into a new area as well.
Which is going to be outfitted this house with some brand new exterior lighting that really is going to have an incredibly great design effect on the house. How does this all work?
Yeah, so customer calls in or they see one of our projects maybe in their neighborhoods, they call us up, we come out and give them a custom design, that's free of charge, and we just listen to the customer. What do they want to accomplish out of their lighting? Some of them have a great idea, some may need a little bit of help along the way. But nonetheless, we give them a custom design of their entire home and within their budget.
There are two major qualities in illumination: color, temperature, and beam angle. Both can affect the appearance and change what lighting can accomplish. Brad and others at Pinch A Penny have helped many residents throughout Florida, Texas, Louisiana, Alabama, and Georgia bring their homes to life after dark with style.
So how about the actual fixtures themselves? I would imagine you have all different types of styles to match all different types of homes and landscapes, modern, traditional, transitional. What are we doing on this house?
Yeah, so for this particular customer, we're going with path lights and spotlights. But beyond that, depending upon what the customer needs, we've got in-grade well lights, we've got floodlights, or even underwater lights, maybe if they have a fountain or something.
Which really is a nice effect and also adds a level of safety and security to the home. A well-lit home is a safe home.
Yeah, I would say, most consumers, it's they want the safety first, and the ambiance of everything is really secondary. So it just creates a very nice, safe feature, and the house is all nicely lit.
So after we come up with the design plan, how easy is it for one of your professionals to install the exterior lighting?
Well, I'm not going to say it's easy, but our team will come out. They're going to put everything exactly where we had in the design scope. Everything is 12 volt. It's safe for your kids, safe for the pets. All the cables are going to be all run so that at nighttime you can just enjoy the lights. And all of the fixtures are brass, and they're of extreme quality, professional quality, that you're never going to have to worry about them. Matter of fact, they all have a lifetime warranty.
Brad, for a homeowner who may be undecided about taking on a project in exterior lighting with Pinch A Penny, what would you tell them?
I would tell them that the outdoor lighting is going to increase safety around their home. It's going to create great ambiance for their home, as well as it's completely energy efficient.
And as far as the energy efficiency, what's the average cost per year to run the lights?
So for a 12 light system, if you're running that 6 hours a night, you're looking at about $7 a year.
Wow, you can't beat that to improve your property. Brad, thank you so much for being a part of this.
My pleasure.
To learn more and get a free quote on landscape lighting, pool renovations, and other outdoor living services, or to find out how you can become a Pinch A Penny franchise owner like Brad, visit pinchapenny.com/designing spaces. And of course, visit designingspaces.tv.
Some Americans want to age in place at home, while others will consider independent, assisted living, or retirement communities. Atria Senior Living is dedicated to creating vibrant communities where older adults are encouraged to lead active, engaged lives. Learn why more than 45,000 people choose to call Atria Senior Living home.
The biggest selling points are really the amenities and the services that we provide. The dining experience at Atria is something I'm really proud of. Making sure that our residents are eating is something that's important to families. And knowing that mom's not skipping a meal or dad's not missing a meal, we're gonna know if someone's not at the table. When a resident moves into our community, included in their rent is housekeeping. So things like dusting, cleaning, changing the sheets, making the bed, making sure the apartment is nice and clean and fresh. They don't have to worry about that anymore. So each community has a different variety of floor plans and offerings. Some may have studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, some even have a 3-bedroom. Atria Senior Living was the first senior housing provider to mandate that all staff and residents be vaccinated. We are proud to say that we are over 99% vaccinated. We set up clinics in each of our communities so that our residents and staff has easy accessibility to the vaccine. Another great convenience that we offer is taking our residents to doctor's appointments off-site. We provide assistance with telemed appointments, which is becoming even more popular. All of our communities have staff available 24/7.
Holly and H.J. Browning met while working together at an insurance agency. They quickly fell in love and have been married for 64 years. Several years ago, they began looking into senior living options. Early in their search, the couple toured Atria Newport Beach in California and were so impressed they reserved an apartment before the community was built. They officially made the move last January. A year later, they haven't looked back.
We call this our forever home.
This place makes you live again. The people who live in this place, they're the friendliest bunch of people that you could ever find. The people that work here, the people that are moving into here, we're all about the same age, and it's just a wonderful experience to go down to lunch or dinner and sit down with someone and they've become your friend.
Holly and H.J.'s son and daughter-in-law feel like a weight has been lifted off their shoulders because they know their parents are receiving the support they need while residing at Atria Senior Living.
It's so comforting to know that here at Atria, people are looking out for my parents. One of the first times when I called my parents here, one of the greatest things to ever hear them say was, "We have to call you back." And it was just, it was almost a weight lifted off that you knew that they were just having fun and we didn't have to worry about them all the time.
It's as if this is their part 2 of their life. They're doing things they've never done before, things they haven't done in so many years, and we can't even explain how good it makes us feel knowing they truly are having so much fun in these golden years. It's been great to watch. And now we know how much fun it is, and we would love to live here when we're their age too.
No two people are alike, and not every person shares the same needs. Each care option at Atria is designed to help individuals reach their potential.
Independent living is when somebody moves into our community and takes advantage of the amenities that we're offering. Assisted living and supportive living are essentially the same thing. It's when we're providing the care for a resident. And when they're living with us, the service is being provided by Atria in a discreet manner in the privacy of their own apartment. Certain communities offer memory care neighborhoods. We call them life guidance neighborhoods within the community. The residents that would reside in memory care are people with Alzheimer's, memory impairment, dementia. As a resident's needs change, it's very easy to make those transitions to either memory care or to another community, because once you're within the Atria family, we have so many resources that we can help the family make that transition pretty smoothly.
Atria Senior Living is the second largest senior living provider in the United States, with more than 430 communities in 45 states and 7 Canadian provinces. If you're considering senior living for you or your parents, find a community near you at atriaseniorliving.com/TV or visit designingspaces.tv to learn more. Mementos have this magic way of taking us right back to a moment in time. Designing Spaces spoke to the framing experts at Tru Vue and Frameworks Miami for some professional tips on how to pick the best custom frame in which to display your next memory.
Custom framing is where you take something that's important to you, that you want to remember, you can preserve it, protect it, and you can display it in your home. Anything that you want to preserve or protect can be framed. The combination of an artistic vision and the technical expertise required for custom framing really allows us to be limitless in what we can provide to our clients. You can come to us with an idea or concept, and we have lots and lots of different materials that we can recommend for printing and using in framing that allow us to really have it be an expression of you, and we specifically work with you to get you what you want.
When you come to a custom framer, the framer is going to not only be able to enhance the artwork with its framing design, but they will also be able to preserve your artwork for a very long time. The first thing to do when a customer walks in the door is to listen to them, see what they're looking for, and provide them guidance so that we can then create a design package for their artwork. It's critical when you go to a custom framer that you go to somebody that is reliable, somebody that understands about preservation, design, and the finished product.
Tru Vue is the leader and innovator in the protection, conservation, and visual appearance of all things framed and displayed. They've been making these products for more than 70 years.
Tru Vue is a US-based manufacturing company, and we make glass and acrylic for many different applications. But our proudest applications are protecting and preserving consumers' memories, as well as protecting precious works of art in museums all around the world. Tru Vue makes glass and acrylic products that are different than what you would find in ready-made frames. The reason is we use different levels of coating that are engineered specifically to offer distraction-free viewing or an anti-reflective glass. And with added UV protection, it protects your items and memories, especially the ones that can't be replaced.
We love our partnership with Tru Vue because through their marketing materials, we're able to educate our customers on preservation, including selecting the proper glass or acrylic.
We do not use regular glass because it is detrimental to your artwork or whatever you're framing. We use Tru Vue Conservation Clear as our baseline product, and what that does is it blocks the UV rays from getting to the artwork. Now, in addition to the Conservation Clear, our favorite product by Tru Vue is their museum glass and acrylic, and it provides an exponentially clear way to see what you have framed.
These options not only offer you an invisible, beautiful finish, but also provide you with different levels of protection, preservation, and anti-reflection.
Everyone assumes that glass is glass. It's not. There's regular glass, there's conservation glass, there's non-glare glass, and there's the best of the best is the Tru Vue museum glass.
Museum glass from Tru Vue is engineered with coatings to offer anti-reflection, so color and detail come through, UV protection to really minimize the impact of UV rays, and an overall clarity to see the image with distraction-free viewing. Optia Museum Acrylic from Tru Vue is an acrylic-based product that's engineered with layers of coating to provide attributes such as static resistance, which makes it really great for framing materials and fabrics. It's also abrasion resistant for high traffic areas where it can minimize art getting scratched. And it's also shatter resistant.
The goal of this Made in America state-of-the-art custom glazing is to be invisible and protective at the same time.
I truly love the journey of working with customers on the design of their piece to its completion. And the ability to create something beautiful from nothing is very empowering.
To find out more about how to get the best, most protective, and distraction-free viewing of your projects, visit tru-vue.com. And of course, you can always visit us at designingspaces.tv. When homeowners Cole and Morgan decided it was time to select countertops for their kitchen and master bath, they knew exactly where to go. Living in Texas Hill Country just outside Austin, these homeowners were just a short drive to a unique, product-rich showroom where they could choose from the finest in natural stone, quartz, and tile. A chance to look and see, feel and touch, to find the perfect material, and most importantly, to get answers for any project-related questions. All available at Architectural Surfaces Austin area showrooms and their 21 locations nationwide.
Hi, welcome to Architectural Surfaces.
I'm Morgan.
Morgan, I'm Jason.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing, man? I'm Cole.
Cole, Jason, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What brings you in today?
We're building a new house, and we'd like to pick out some countertops. So take a look at some. We're trying to figure out what we're going to do in different rooms.
These savvy homeowners knew one of the smartest home investments they could make was in their kitchen and master bath.
This is a large facility. We actually have 21 facilities around the country, kind of coast to coast, that all have very deep breadth of inventory of both natural stone, quartz, and tile. I think that's a wonderful choice. Cole and Morgan came to Architectural Surfaces where they were focused on master bathroom and kitchen selections. Next selection that I thought would work well for your master bathroom to help pull out some of those gray tones in the floors and that white tile that you have.
In the bathtub, yes.
Ooh, that
Gosh.
would be great in the master.
That is beautiful.
So this is also another marble natural stone. This is actually from Brazil.
Choosing top quality materials and making choices that not only fit individual taste and lifestyle, but ones that fit a budget is paramount to this husband and wife's get it done right the first time attitude.
Babe, this would look great in the powder bath and maybe even the guest small upstairs bath too. I love this, yes.
Yeah. No, I really like that one a lot.
Me too.
That's great.
As an independent fabricator and installation expert, Azaz Tour knows the benefits of working with a large company like Architectural Surfaces.
Architectural Surfaces not only has a great facility, but they always have a huge stock of granite, quartz, marble, quartzite, and it's kind of a one-stop shop, you know, where the reason that I recommended Cole and Morgan to go out there is because they have a giant selection of quality stone. Not only do they have quality stone, but they also have a lot of designer colors to where you can get some of the best looking, trending items on the market.
So, how did it all turn out? Well, Cole, Morgan, and Azaz put it this way.
Man, Architectural Surfaces really just nailed it.
I know, it looks so good.
Super impressed with this quartz project, this Lutte Lumen.
I completely agree with you guys. You know, Architectural Surfaces, you know, best-in-class products, best-in-class delivery, which means I get it faster, you get it faster. You guys have a beautiful home here. Product selection was amazing. The Lutte Lumen, I mean, I think everything just came out. You couldn't do it any better. You guys want to check out the master?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
do it.
All right. Man, this bathroom looks awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, we love how it turned out.
You got some beautiful shadow storm from Architectural Surfaces. You know, as a fabricator installer, it's one of the things I really like is for clients like you guys, we can always find, you know, designer type stone there. And with it being Brazilian marble, you guys aren't going to have to worry as much as you would with the Italian marble. So it's a little more durable, you know, with your makeup products, and I think you guys are going to be happy with the way that it lives in the house.
Oh, I think so. I love the color. I think it really ties this room together with the
tub's
green
awesome.
tub.
Making customers happy, from fabricators to homeowners like Cole and Morgan. That's what Architectural Surfaces promises. Local soul from coast to coast. The purchasing power of a national company, optimized delivery networks across the country, and a whole lot more. To discover the more for yourself and where to find a showroom in your area, go to arcsurfaces.com. And to view this segment again, visit us at designingspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.